Entire nation knew that India's largest opposition party and second biggest political party to have its president in row for the second time, for whom the constitution within the party was changed. But he could not become, and just prior to announcement of being made as a president, there was a surprise that another name came in the fore, and it was not the person who was supposed to become the president. The mystery still looms, Raj, as to what was the reason as to why he could not be made president. But now, not being the president, he is the most important man playing a pivotal role in the party in keeping things in order. It's none other than Nitin Gadkari, the ex-BJP president, with NewsX Now to open and unfold the mystery as to what exactly had happened that time when he could not become a president for the second time. Mr. Gadkari, आपला स्वागत है. You are welcome to NewsX.
Thank you.
Nitin ji, it is being said that Advani ji is not happy with the way Rajnath Singh ji is working, and he has been expressing his anguish time and again.
Actually, BJP is a democratic party. So, in lot of time we have some differences. But today, presently, there is good dialogue between Rajnath Singh ji and Advani ji. And I am confident that it is definitely Rajnath Singh, as the president of the party, he will solve all the grievances which Advani ji have, and there will be no problem.
But all is not well. Rajnath Singh ji, having taken over reins from you as a president of the party, he made a categorical statement that yes, I will going to listen to all the allegations made by Advani ji, that he will come out with the explanation as to where lies the fault. But that no signal comes that he has been doing on that.
Already, as far as my information is concerned, Advani ji is in contact with Advani ji. Rajnath ji is in contact with Advani ji, and he is discussing the issue. And in due course of time, I am confident that we will get good solution from that.
But there is nothing all well between both of them. It will take time, you mean?
No, we are a democratic party. We are not a party as son and father, mother and son. We are a democratic party.
Democratic party, not with differences, you mean?
No, it is party with a difference, and already we have got difference of opinion. But at the same time, when there is a decision has been taken, all leaders, they are obey the decision. This is the history of our party.
Do you think that Advani ji once said, I remember Nitin ji, he said that leaders within BJP are not working for the party and they are working for the self. There are a section of leaders, section of group. How true it is, what he has said?
Now the politically and organizationally the expansion of BJP is very huge. We get the leaders from the society. And as far as starting from Janasangh, it is the history of Janasangh that the people, the leader like Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Dindayal Upadhyay, after that Kushabha Thakre, Jagannath Rao Joshi, Sundar Singh Bhandari, they dedicated their whole life for the country and the society. And this is the track record of the party. So definitely the people from the different section of the society in the country, they expect selfless service, selfless politics of national reconstruction from the BJP leaders. And that is the expectation, so that why Advani ji insists on it, that now it is the need of the party that we should think the country first, second party, or baad mein think about yourself.
And one more thing, Nitin ji, that I need to ask you is about, it's a common feeling that BJP is being run by RSS and few leaders doing drawing room politics.
Actually, this is the image versus reality and ground reality versus perception. No one is controlling the BJP. Every important decision of the party has been taken in parliamentary board, in core committee, even appointment of office bearers and working committee also. Our president discussed with all the people, all the leaders, and there is some organizational setup and system by which our party has executed the programs and organizational functions. So this is not the ground reality. But sometimes there is the impression in the mind of the people that some godfather who is control the party. This is the misimpression in the mind of the people. As far as our party's ground reality is concerned, it is a democratic party controlled by our parliamentary board, controlled by our president. We all have respect for our president.
You mean Sangh do not have any control on it?
Never. 3 years I was the president. There is cooperation, coordination and communication between Sangh and BJP. In many crucial issues, we are always...
But no control.
No control.
There is no remote
No.
control?
As far as giving tickets, as per appointing office bearers, as per appointing taking political decisions, it is every time it is to be decided in the highest body of the party. It never influenced by any leader or any person who is out of the party.
Advani ji some time back has said that Suresh Soni is appearing to be more powerful from RSS, wherein he had to ask Mr. Bhagwat as to control Mr. Soni's power, and he assured in turn that yes, he will going to do curtail the
No,
power.
Advani ji have some reservation about the functioning of the party, but never he have such type of allegation. Either Advani makes any allegation against anybody. He has some suggestions, but what the mind of the people in the media, in the section of media, they always want to misinterpret the things, and I personally honestly feel that the media is doing injustice with the Advani ji. Advani is never make any type of allegation against any person. Advani has got some reservation about party's decision and system. In the interest of the party, he has already given his all his suggestion to Rajnath Singh, and I am confident that in due course of time, after discussing all this issue, we will get a good positive solution from that, and we will solve all the problems.
Mr. Gadkari, do you feel that after this saga of Mr. Advani, all is well between Mr. Advani, Mohan Bhagwat and RSS? You were the main person who made a pitch for Mr. Advani to pitch in.
Actually,
RSS leader.
what my feeling is, between Advani ji and Bhagwat ji, between Advani ji and Rajnath Singh ji, these are not the subject for public debate. This is the individual matters related with the organization, and we should only discuss this matter on the forum of the party. It is not appropriate to discuss all this issue with the media.
Do you think that, I remember Advani ji in many course of time has said that this party has deviated from Atal Advani and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee's view, vision, and party has lost its way, he's been saying that. You as a party president?
Not exactly, but Advani ji's feeling is that after 1980, Advani ji and Atal ji, actually who are the guide and philosopher of our party, they are the founder. So Advani feel that we have to extend NDA, we have to add new political party leaders into NDA in the interest of the country. Now, presently, this is not the important problem that who will be the Prime Minister of the country, who will be the Minister, or who will be the MP, or which party is going to run this country. The most important thing is that we have to save this country from the misrule of Congress party. Internal security, external security, what is the bad situation? Economic problem is going up to such level that we are just on the verge of bankruptcy. Now, as far as the inflation is concerned, we have already break all the records. Now corruption, the highest corruption, as far as the progress is concerned, there is one report from World Bank. Out of 184 countries, India's number is 134 and Bangladesh number is 107. It's very bad. So this is the time for everybody who is a nationalist, how we can save our country. And Advani ji is feeling about country. His intention is we have to save this country from the misrule of the Congress party. The Congress party who have made the record-break corruption in the country. So this is the time that we have to save this country from the Congress party.
Nitinji, it is the time that India needs to know as to what exactly has happened. Why did you not become the president? Please unfold the mystery.
Actually, at that time, there was a discussion in the party because one day before, there was some raid on some companies. I asked many income tax people, but they say we have no relation with it. I don't know who are the people. Neither they make any search, survey or raid. But the thing moved on the media. There was a political conspiracy from some people. Actually, from
within your party, with government collaborating against you.
I don't want to make any allegation on the party people or anybody, but it's the fact that it's a conspiracy because last 4 months, neither I receive any notices, nothing is there. And as far as my case is concerned, myself not at all related to any other company. Neither I am a shareholder, neither I am a director. I have nothing to do for it. So I never understand what relation I have got with that companies, why it is to be shown and what is to be used by media. But it was a political conspiracy against me, and one day before it starts, and after when I decide,
people sitting in government,
and when I decide that I don't want to become a president, I resign from my post. Immediately that stopped. So it is a political drama and conspiracy. I have no problem. I will face the music. And when there was a question in the mind of people of the leadership that how we'll face the thing, how media will react, at that time I just suggest them that the best way is one problem to solve this problem is that I should resign from my post and it will solve your problem, because I am a worker of this party. I will ready to do anything for that. So I resign from it.
Mr. Gadkari, do you think Mr. Advani will going to contest next general election from Gandhinagar?
I don't know. It is to be decision which depending upon Advani's wish, and he is the proper man that who can answer the question of this, the answer of this question.
Nitinji, why is Mr. Advani has always been showing his anguish for your poster boy, that is Narendra Modi? Is he not happy with the combination of Rajnath and Narendra Modi combination that is working now?
So
combo.
This is all your perception. Advani ji every time support Narendra Bhai. In the crisis period, when Gujarat riots were there, in Goa meeting, there was section of people, they have the opinion that we have to change the leadership of Gujarat. At them, Advani is the leader who support Narendra Modi and back him. Now there are no differences between Advani and Modi ji. The Advani ji is a father figure of the party.
There were differences, but there are no differences.
No differences. No. It is somewhere it's created by media. And Advani ji, this is not the correct thing. To create the impression that Advani is against Narendra Modi because he want to become a prime minister, this is very injustice with the Advani ji. Advani ji has some issues, but they are related with the different political decisions related to the party. And as far as Narendra Modi is concerned, he is the most popular leader of the party. The worker, the supporter, they like Narendra Modi.
The poster boy.
And Advani ji also a father figure for us, guide and philosopher for the party.
Nitinji, the poster boy of your party.
You just understand. The Shivraj Singh Chauhan is a poster boy in Madhya Pradesh.
Not in India.
No, because he is the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. On the basis of leadership of Shivraj Singh, we are going to fighting the election in Madhya Pradesh. In Chhattisgarh, Raman Singh is...
But Mr. Modi will also go there for campaign.
100%. It is a party of team spirit and collective leadership.
He will campaign in all states, no
Definitely.
matter anybody has reservations.
No, every time, because we are working as a team spirit, as a team work. And Narendra Modi is also a part of our national team and is the most popular leader. And Advani is our guide and philosopher. He is our father figure of our party. He is a guide and philosopher. So there is no difference between Advani and Narendra Modi ji.
Nitinji, are you deeply hurt the way things happened during your election as a president for the second time? Does that really put you off?
No, I am not very much hurt because I never meet with any leader, never meet with any RSS leader, and never give my biodata to anybody that appoint me as a second term as a president. I am happy. Whatever the party giving me work, I am ready for that. I have no problem. But I am hurt because of the allegation, the false allegation, which was politically conspiracy, conspired some people against me. That was something I feel it. But now, in due course of time, after this examination...
Those who were conspiring are now out of party.
I don't want to blame anybody. I don't want to blame anybody. Whatever it may be, politics is a game of political compromises, compulsion, limitations, and conspiracies are going on. I don't want to make conspiracy against anybody. I don't want to talk against anybody. I am a party worker. I want to add only sugar into the milk. So I am very positive. And as far as now, I am very much happy. I am working for organic farming, for water conservation, for biofuels. I am doing organizational work and I am happy.
Given the chance, will you become president for the second time?
No. My 3-year experience is giving